Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have some interesting news to discuss regarding the Alberta Provincial Court. There are two changes. One is more cosmetic change, while the other is a functional change affecting the jurisdictional limits of the court. The cosmetic change already occurred. It occurred on April 1st, 2023, when the Alberta Provincial Court was renamed the Alberta Court of Justice. I appreciate that this occurred on April Fool's Day, but this is not a joke. This may cause some confusion regarding the court's name and the rebranding, but just the simplest way to remember it is the Alberta Provincial Court is the same as the Alberta Court of Justice. It's just a new name. The court essentially functions in the same way. The functional change is one that's scheduled to occur next month, August 1st, 2023, and this will change the monetary limits that the Provincial Court can hear. This is an increase from the current limit of $50,000 to $100,000. In this video, we'll explore the change, what the court does, how we got to this change, and what it means to the parties involved. So let's delve right in. So the Alberta Provincial Court is responsible for handling various legal matters. This includes civil disputes, traffic offenses, and criminal cases within the province of Alberta. Of course, for the purpose of this video, the functional change is civil disputes. Until recently, the jurisdiction had been up to $50,000. However, there was a shift when the Alberta legislature passed Bill 5 on December 15th, 2022, which amended the Provincial Court Act, specifically Section 9 Sub 1, and allowed the Alberta government to increase this limit up to $200,000. The government consulted with the courts, the law side of Alberta, and organizations in the legal community, and decide to increase the provincial court dispute limit to $100,000. This doubled the previous limit of $50,000 and means that cases involving claims of $100,000 or below can be heard by this court. Those exceeding this amount will typically be directed to higher courts, such as the Court of King's Bench. One of the key impacts is on the access to justice. By raising the dispute limit, the Alberta Provincial Court aims to provide more accessible and efficient legal processes for individuals involved in lower value disputes. It allows people with relatively smaller claims to have their cases resolved within a court that specifically is designed to handle such matters. This potentially can lead to quicker and more cost-effective resolutions. Another important aspect to consider, however, is the impact on the judicial system itself. With the increase in the dispute limit, the Alberta Provincial Court may experience an influx of cases that would have otherwise been directed to higher courts. This could potentially lead to increased caseloads, longer wait times, and additional pressure put on the court's limited resources. As a result, it is essential for the court to ensure it has the necessary infrastructure and capacity to handle the potential increase in cases. Lastly, let's talk about the litigants, those involved in the disputes. For plaintiffs, the higher dispute limit means they can pursue their claims within the Alberta Provincial Court, which is generally more accessible and less formal. This could be advantageous, especially for individuals who may not have the financial means to hire legal representation or navigate complex legal procedures. To conclude, it's important to remember there's been a name change, a rebranding, if you will, from the Alberta Provincial Court to the Alberta Court of Justice, and that the new court name also comes next month with an increase to its jurisdictional limit for the monetary limit for civil disputes from $50,000 to $100,000, and this will have both hopefully positive and potentially challenging implications. And that ends the video today. I hope you found the information insightful. If you have any thoughts or questions on the topic, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more legal updates and information. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And as always, take care. Thanks.
Both know that it